Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saniksha Adnani, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how I created this look using the NARS Extreme palette, and I'm gonna tell you guys about the Climax Extreme mascara that's also by NARS, and I've used a couple of NARS products in this tutorial. I can't wait to show you guys this tutorial, so let's get started. I've already done my eyebrows and I've primed my eyes with the NARS concealer. This one is in Canal, and I've not set this with anything. I've just added the concealer and I just let it dry, and now let's get started with the eye makeup. That's what the palette looks like. I'm gonna start by taking this shade on the Sigma brush. This is the E42 brush, and I'm gonna add this color on my crease. I'm tapping and adding this color. Don't take a lot of color at one go because these eyeshadows are quite pigmented. I went ahead and switched on my background light because it was so dark. So I added this color onto my crease and a bit on the outer corner. I've not blended the edges yet, just added the color. And now with the Morphe 506 brush, I'm just blending out the edges. Really like how the colors are blending, not losing its intensity a lot. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful orangey red shade, and I'm adding this color to the center portion of my eyelid. Again, this color is very pigmented. I don't think I've ever used a similar color on my eyelid. It's a nice muddy orange color. I should have done a sunset look with this, but never mind, maybe next time I'm gonna do a sunset look with this color. Can you see how pretty this color is? I could wear this color just by itself on my eyelid and it would look so beautiful. Just adding it on my center portion only. I was very confused if I should take this shade or this shade. So I'm just gonna mix this brown purple shade and this dark purple shade. As I told you, it's quite pigmented, so just take a little bit at a time, and I'm adding this to my outer corner. Once I place the color on my outer corner, I'm gonna take it up to my crease, just above the red color, the red orangey color. Just deepening this crease a bit. I've taken one more layer to deepen the crease, and then again going up the crease. I'm again taking this matte shade on the Morphe brush, and I'm blending out the edges again. As I always say, to achieve a nice professional looking look, you should always make sure that the edges are blended. Next, I'm just gonna do a touch up of the orangey red color before I add the inner corner color. Next, I'm taking this golden color and I'm gonna add this to my inner corner, the inner 1/4, and going just very slightly above the red so that they merge and look blended and happily married after. Just adding one more layer. This gold is not like very bright gold, it's a nice gold. Another color I would recommend adding on the lid just by itself, and it's gonna look so pretty. I'm just gonna clean all the fallout before I move ahead. I'm gonna create a nice sharp edge. I've already primed my face with the Huda Beauty Face Primer. Next, I'm gonna add the NARS foundation. This one is in the shade Syracuse. This NARS Radiant Longwear foundation is like my all-time favorite foundation. I love the coverage. The coverage is quite good, and at the same time it feels very light. The way it covers, I would say it's like super heavy coverage, but it feels so damn light. Love the coverage. I even like the color. It's a bit dark, I know, but then I love how it covers all the redness on my face and just makes everything like even tone and amazing. Next, I'm going to take my NARS face palette. I'm going to start by taking the lighter shade on a smaller brush, and I'm going to add this powder wherever I added concealer. That is under eye, on the bridge of my nose, the forehead, upper lip, on my chin, and right under where I would do my contouring. Next, I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC42, and with this I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm again going back with my NARS face powder, and I'm gonna take the bronzer and I'm gonna add this on my cheek and then on my jawline. Next, I'm going to take this dark color blush. This is called Dolce Vita, and I'm going to add this right above the contouring. And now to highlight my face, I'm going to take this eyeshadow and I'm adding this right about the contouring. Then on the bridge of my nose, on my upper lip, and my chin. To complete the eye look, I'm first going to take this matte shade and I'm going to add this on my lower lash line and join it on the corner all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner and join at the corner. Next I'm going to add the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil on my waterline all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then I'm even going to let it bleed to my lower lash line. Don't worry about it being crooked or messy because we're going to blend it in the next step. Next I'm going to take this dark purple shade on a pencil brush. This one is the Sigma E30 brush and this brush is perfect for doing this. I'm just blending out the black with the purple shade and I'm even going above the black eyeliner, just going back and forth. Next I'm going to take this light highlighter shade and I'm going to add this on my inner corner, the outer C. Just going to make it a bit more intense by adding a couple of layers. So that's around 3 layers and that looks quite intense. So I went and created a TikTok video on this mascara by NARS. This is the Climax Extreme. What a fabulous mascara. I don't know if you can see the difference. It just totally added so much volume and curled my lashes at the same time. Love this mascara so much. This mascara adds so much volume and it even curls the lashes at the same time. I don't think you need to wear falsies if you just wear this mascara. Totally love this mascara. So I went ahead and added some lashes and I even added the Fenty Beauty lipstick. This one is in Unbuttoned and that's the final look. I loved creating this sunset spring look, I would call it, using the NARS palette. This is the Extreme Effect palette. My most favorite color was this one and this one and this one. I'm going to create a couple more looks with using this palette. As you guys know, I'm a big NARS fan. Like I love everything NARS. NARS has such amazing products and they never fail me. So yeah, that's the end of this tutorial and I hope to see you back in my next tutorial and see you soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe and see you soon. Bye.